me, that listen to me.
Yeah.
Lay is to?
Lay a lot of times translates, its main meaning is with, but it translates as to a lot of times in English. You can't really have one translation for them because they don't match up to English. Okay? And then if you want to, if you have the word in there, so listen to the something, then you have to put lesh in there, okay? So don't listen to the radio. Na heist leshen radio. And na is used to put a negative command. So eist is listen, na heist, don't listen. And na sticks that H on there. So na heist leshen radio. So how would you say don't eat the cookies? Na hit nabrisky. So it nabrisky would be eat the cookies. Na hit nabrisky, don't eat the cookies. Or na hol and fushka, don't drink the whiskey. Okay. Or one you hear a lot. Na hol and tishka, don't drink the water. Okay. I think there was a travel book by that title. So na hol and tishka. Okay. Na hesh leshen radio. Okay, so let's try. Let's actually look at our main sentence, and we'll do a couple little things with this. So vina fear. So the men were eglev reading, agus and eishja listening, lesh and radio to the radio. Okay, so that's.
Why is it a completely different spelling of radio? As opposed to 4K?
Because the 4K is misspelled. Okay. Yeah, the one at the top is correct spelling. Radio should have an I after the A. Yeah. Laughing is clearly say, so you have to have the I or E vowels on both sides of the D. Okay. Good catch. Okay, now let's try a few things. So, how do you say I'm listening? Okay. How about I'm not listening? How about I'm not listening to you? Okay. How would you say, are you listening? And will to. Yeah, we have to include this in the fighting lessons. How to have a good fight at home in Irish. And will to against Jeff. How would you? And will to against Jeff. How would you say? Are you listening to me?
When will to against Jeff.
No. And will to against Jeff. No.
When will to against Jeff.
And how would you say no?
Neil against Jeff.
Neil may against Jeff. So Neil may against Jeff. Which is probably the wrong answer, by the way. The correct answer, if someone says will to against Jeff. Yeah, ta kincha. Okay. Yes, of course. Okay. And this is where Irish makes it a little harder for you because you have, if someone asks you a question, you have to answer back part of the question. So, fortunately, in this case, it's ta, which is the default if you don't know any better, right?
Judge Judy gets mad at people who do that. She asks a question, if they repeat the question, she says, "You're just stalling for time to make up a lie."
Okay. So.
It's usually true.
Yeah.
How would you say you weren't listening to me?
You do against Jeff.
Okay. First of all, how about you aren't listening to me?
Neil do against Jeff.
Neil too. Lom. Kneel to against Chaklam. How would you say you weren't listening?
You rev to against them.
You rev to. You rev to against Chaklam. Okay. Alright. Okay. And how about you weren't listening to her?
You rev to against
Lay. Or if you know the form lehi, okay? You read to against chocolate. Okay? So, it's good for now. Okay? So let's go to number 5. It says, Ba yaker aich hitcha oil. So it was difficult to find a sitting place. We'll get back to the main sentence in a second. The word for difficult is jacker. And to say something is difficult, you can say it's jacker, and then you would go on and describe what's difficult. Or to say it was difficult, you say ba yaker. And ba is, we've seen ba before because you say I would like something ba walyum. The word ba means both would and did. So ba yaker, I have it here as was difficult. It could also mean would be difficult. Yeah. Okay. So actually, ba walyum means either I would like or I liked. But usually it means I would like. Okay, it's pretty clear typically from context. Okay, so jacker is jacker and ba yaker. Okay. Now the word for the place, an aich. And the word aich is feminine. Okay, otherwise it would be an taich. Okay. So it's feminine. And feminine words, when you put something an adjective after it, then it gets shavel on it. So the word for good is ma. We've seen that word before. But a good place, aichwa. Okay? So words that are masculine, you don't do that. So the word for like pen is pyon. A good pen is pyon ma. Pyon ma. Okay? A good cup, kupan ma. Okay. But a good glass, which is feminine, glina wa. Okay. A good man is far ma. A good woman, ban wa. Okay. But surprisingly, Kalin is masculine in Irish, so girls are masculine for some reason. Okay. I don't think when you listen to Lake Will Be Gone, where all the women are strong, all the men are good looking, all the children are above average. But anyways, Kesht?
No.
Okay. So an aich is the place, aich wa is a good place. Okay, the word fai is the command to get something or find something for someone. Okay, so we did it in the beginning class before with get me a glass. Fai glinadom ledaho. Okay, so fai is get, glin is a glass, dom is for me, ledaho please. Okay, now if you want to say to get something, then you use the expression oil. Okay, so I would like to get some food, or I would like some food to get. Bawalyum bia oil. Okay, or I would like to eat, and it's similar to what we did before with to eat. Bawalyum and bia iha. I would like to eat the food. Okay, so you have to switch the words around. I would like food to get. I would like the food to eat. Okay. Okay. And that brings us back now to our main sentence. Bayaker aich hitcha oil. So bayaker, it was difficult. Aich hitcha is a sitting place, a place of sitting. Okay. And it's related to the word si, meaning sit or sitting. So aich hitcha is a place of sitting. A oil to get or to find. Okay. So it's difficult, a place of sitting to find. Bayaker aich hitcha oil. Okay. Yeah. Hitcha. Yeah. Okay.